So many people think that if they're on maternity leave, they can't get a mortgage or even remortgage. And that's simply not true. In most cases, lenders are going to assess you based upon your salary when you go back to work, not what you're receiving during the maternity leave. So if you're returning to work on the same role, the same pay, the same terms and conditions, it's usually very straightforward. You're going to need to provide documents like your last payslip from before maternity leave and maybe a return to work letter from your employer confirming your return to work date and that your salary and your terms and conditions remain the same. Now, if your income is changing when you return, maybe fewer hours, different role or a pay change, then you're going to need confirmation of that because lenders need to understand exactly what your earnings will be. But here's the thing that people forget. Even if the lender is happy with your income, they will consider childcare costs. And depending upon what those look like, that could reduce your affordability. However, in some cases, you can get child benefit and that can potentially be included as your income to offset that. And remember, if you're remortgaging, there are two routes you can take. You can stay with your current lender and do a product transfer. Most of the time, no affordability checks. But if you want to move to a new lender for a better deal, that will be a full application. So yes, you can absolutely get a mortgage while you're on maternity leave. You just need the right lender, the right paperwork, and a proper affordability check. If you want to sense check your options, drop me a message.